Hi, I'm Isabel.
Hi, I'm Sahana. Hi, I'm Lex.
Hi, I'm Annabella.
And hi, I'm James. Wow. Smile for the camera. Woo. Hi. Can I explain the rules of the game, Sahana?
Okay, so basically every one of us has a drink, whether it be water or Yakult or beer or Coke. We are just going to play Never Have I Ever, and those who have done the thing that the particular person says, they would have to drink a sip. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, who wants to start first? Let's go.
Start storming. What's that? Buffet.
Never have I ever said I was reaching someplace when I was still at home.
Oh, did that happen today, Isabel?
I already left home.
Okay, next.
Oh.
Never have I ever not had my first kiss.
That was what I was gonna say, but like the opposite.
You wait.
You just
So
watch.
yeah, just say the opposite. Then she'll drink.
Never have I ever had my first kiss.
Oh! Reverse. Oh no, reverse.
Never have I ever been swimming.
What?
What?
What, really?
been swimming.
Oh.
You
I wanna drink.
I was shocked.
Never have I ever hugged a boy except for my brother.
Okay, that is just mean.
Sahana, are you sure you haven't? Okay, see?
I don't think.
It's just a hug. Right?
It's just a hug, right?
Oh.
Very bad. Very bad, Annabella.
I wonder
Yeah, but
which
man,
boy
it kind
though.
of helps you stay hydrated, you know?
Wow.
Wow. Staying hydrated.
Yes.
Hello everyone, it's me, James Fisher, and today I will be reviewing some of the products that I got from my friend who recently started her Instagram shop. I'll put it up on the screen. You can check her out. She does free delivery in Singapore. I got this really cute package of macaroon candles that I'm going to open now. Okay, so let's take a look. So inside it's wrapped in styrofoam and there's a thank you for supporting us. Your order made my day. I hope this package made yours. Berlisa Gifts. And she left this really cute message for me. Hi James, I hope this package made you smile. Thank you for being part of my journey and giving me the chance to learn and grow. Please continue to support us. The gold plate is a free gift. So there's actually a free gift inside. This is the letter she wrote me, but so cute. Wow, it's really secure. There's another package here. It was sent by SingPost and the delivery guy actually came to my front door to drop off this package, which is really great. I think it's because it's too big to fit into my mailbox. But here is the free gold plate that she gave me as a free gift. And here are the boxes of macaroon candles. Or is it macaron? I got 5 all in different colors. So here's the first box. Ooh, there's crinkly paper inside. That's what it looks like. It has a bit of a wax smell. There's a lemony scent to it. It's actually quite a big macaroon. Here's what it looks like. I got 5 of these actually for $15. So there are a few other colors. This is a really cute box. You have the little, hi, the teddy bear. Ooh. This one also smells the same, except it has a bit of a apple scent to it. And let's open the other 3. Here's the blue one. They all have a wax smell to them, but it's candles, you know? This one smells a bit soapy. But so far they're all really nice. Ooh, there's a white one. And this one has a vanilla hint to it. So let's see what the last color is. This one is pink. Ooh, I think this one smells the best. It has a bit of a strawberry scent to it. Overall, I like all these cute little candles. I can't fit them all onto the plate. These are the candles that I got in the free plate. And at the bottom you can see there's this thing for the candle wick to go through. It's connected at the bottom. For Mother's Day, I actually got my mom these flowers from her. I got them at a discounted price, $12 for this. It's preserved flowers in this plastic box, and it has lights. So to turn on the lights, I just have to pull that one out. This plastic that comes in between the batteries. So here you have it. You have to really press down on it. On this black button there, you have to really press on it and hold it for a while, and then the lights will go on. I actually pulled this out a little bit, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And the flowers can apparently last for up to a year. Here's the flower bouquet again with the lights on. I love this, and my mom loves it too. And the best part is my friend Annabella, she actually delivered it herself on Mother's Day, so I'm really glad it made it in time. And I received these a while back. They're a good size, so thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check out my friend's new online business on Instagram at Bearlisa Gifts. Bye!